So here is my exhaust hanger fix. So this is the real box. This is a tail type tip, and that the box seems like a stainless steel. For the box, we have real box. We have two hangers. So one hanger is over there. You can see, yeah, that the hanger welded to the box. And over there is a bracket and with a rubber hanger over there. So one is here and the other one is here. So this a real one, and there's the one over here, and there's the one over here, and this one welded to the box, the real box here and here. You can see it's broken. And I drill a hole. Here's a 2.5 millimeter hole, and here we have a 4 millimeter hole, and I use the 2 millimeter diameter steel wire to hold these two together. I drill the hole just in situation here, just drill the hole like this. And for this piece, I remove this hanger. This is a complete, the rubber and the base over here. We have a 13 millimeter bolt there and there. I remove these two bolts, and I remove this one together with this broken piece from the real box. So I drill the hole after I removed. So I use this wire to hold them together. Hope this is a simple fix rather than welding, of course. So welded together is the best solution, but this is a simple solution. Hope it will last for a long time.